Hey guys, Bowser here, sitting in Alton and waiting on the city of CASSVILLE at about 1.5 miles. And it's 6:30 in the morning. It's only 19 degrees outside, a little bit of a breeze. The sun comes up in 23 minutes, I think, something like that. I was hoping for a better sunrise, but you gotta, can't do nothing about that. We got some clouds right on the horizon. It may turn out okay after all. I don't know. But yeah, you can see we had a little snow yesterday afternoon and yesterday evening. But it is clear. The skies are clear for the most part, except right on the horizon there. And yeah, city of CASSVILLE is just about at 1.25 miles. And let's see here, doing 8.2 miles per hour. It's got the Midland ahead of it, which is right at Lock and Dam 26. I think it just went past a short time ago, so thinking it was only had a few barges, so it probably on the 600-foot chamber. Maybe they'll get the city of CASSVILLE in. I don't know. It doesn't look like he's slowing down much, so we'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching. And I was asked what kind of software I use here on to track these boats, but this is in real time. This is Boat Beacon. And I've got it hooked to an antenna, and I'm not dependent on the internet or anything. So this is basically real time. And there is the marine traffic. I use that on the cell phone. And sometimes there's lag, or there's areas where you can't pick up, real time. So I kind of like this here on the antenna. It gives me, doesn't matter where I am, I get live AIS. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.